Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm going to do this really easy Christmas abstract and nail stamp design. So I'm using green by Oily called Invite Only, red by Sinful Colors called Go Go Girl, and hollow by Color Club called Don't Harp on It. So I already painted my nails with the hollow polish, and I'm going to swipe on the red and green. It's a really easy design. You can leave this on its own, or like me, you can add a nail stamp design. So I'm going to use my Finger Angels XYZ-32 nail plate, and I'm going to apply white polish onto this design. It has a bunch of Christmas on it. It says Christmas all over, and I just thought it would be perfect on top of this look. So I just applied it onto my nails. It came out really cute. I removed the liquid latex and I applied a quick dry top coat. Like I said, this is a really easy design. You can use any nail plate you want on it, and I loved how it came out. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.